Hello everyone. I just wanted to briefly explain about section 194M recently introduced by the Income Tax Department. What is 194M? This is a section related to TDS. What is TDS? TDS means a tax deduction at source. That means when you are making a payment to another person, okay, when you are making a payment of income to the other person, that is the income of other person. For example, you are paying to an advocate his fees, so it is your expenditure and it is the income of the advocate. So when you are making the payment to an advocate or any consultant or any contractor, you are supposed to deduct some tax, correct? So this is specifically, this TDS was especially meant for the business organization. So business organization was supposed to deduct tax on particular type of transaction. Different types rates were there. For example, if it is a contract, it was 2% and 1%. If it is a professional fees, it was 10%. If it is rent, it is 10%. If it is commission, it is 5%. So different types of TDS were there, and different types of different rates were there as per Income Tax Act 1961. But recently in 1st September 2020, department introduced a section called 194M. This is not only applicable to the business transaction, this is mainly applicable to the non-business transaction. It is not for the business transaction, it is particularly applicable to the non-business transaction. What is non-business transaction? Take an example, you are constructing a house. So what will happen? Is it business? For business purpose you construct the house? No. It's for your personal use you are constructing the house. So when you are constructing a house, see, you will not be bothered about TDS, right? You are not doing a business, but still the government says still you have to look into the provisions of TDS. You have to comply the provisions of section 194M. So I will just quickly take you through the provisions when it is applicable. See, it is applicable when the value of the transaction or the amount you are paying is more than 50 lakhs, exceeding rupees 50 lakhs in a financial year. So if you are paying comparatively lesser amount, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, it is not applicable. When the value of the transaction, the amount of payment is more than 50 lakhs during a financial year, then you have to deduct taxes. So it is not applicable for small transaction per se. Second condition is, what is the tax rate? Tax rate is 5%. Okay. So for example, I will tell you, you are constructing a house and the total contract value is 1 crore rupees. So you are paying 1 crore rupees to the contractor. So how much you should pay? Then department is coming, wait, don't pay 1 crore rupees to the contractor. Pay him only 95 lakhs. 5 lakhs you pay it as a TDS. You don't pay to him, you pay to department. When you pay to the department, how should you pay? See, actually the 1 crore, entire 1 crore belongs to the contractor. Okay. So when you pay to the department, you meant this need to be identified that this payment is for this particular person and his PAN number need to be quoted. Okay. And a certificate we have to issue to the contractor. See, 1 crore was the contract value. I paid you 95 lakhs, 5 lakhs I paid to the department as per the provision of section 194M, and I am giving you the certificate. This is all about 194M. So when this has come into effect, this has come into effect from 1st September 2020. Transaction where if the payment is more than 50 lakhs, it is applicable. Rate is 5%, and to what are the transactions it is applicable? It is applicable to all non-business transactions. Even though you are using the transaction for your personal purpose, it is applicable. And what kind of transactions are covered? All the contracts are covered. Whether the contract is for building a house, building a godown, or doing a catering services, or paying royalty, or professional services also included. For example, you are paying to an interior designer, or you are paying to an architect, or you are paying to a consultant. All those things are covered under the 194M section. Okay. So it is advertising contract. See, advertising contract, normally business people will do the advertisement. But if, for example, somebody is doing a personal advertisement, he is not doing business, he is doing something personal, and some advertisement expenditure you are paying to a broadcasting people, or you are for carrying goods or passengers you are paying, or for catering services you are paying. So all those things are covered under 194M. So it is prima facie this section got introduced for non-business transactions started from 1st September 2020. The limit is 50 lakhs per year and the rate is 5%. So if the person who is receiving the payment, if he does not have PAN, then you have to go with a higher percentage of 20% TDS, not 5%. Another thing is, you all know during the corona time there is a relaxation for all the taxes, especially TDS. So they have given a rebate of 25% in the TDS percentage. For example, in one particular case the TDS is 10%, means now during the corona period, that means from 14th May 2020, 14th May 2020 to 31st March 2021, the TDS rate would be 25% less. So 10% means 25% less, equal to 7.5%. Now, so under 194M also the rate is 5%. So the reduced rate due to corona, it is 3.75%. So that's all about section 194M. You have to keep in mind that you are not doing business, but still if the value of the transaction is more than 50 lakhs, you have to keep in mind TDS is applicable for you also. So you have to take reasonable steps to deduct tax from the contractor. Don't pay him the entire amount, deduct from him, pay to the department, issue the certificate to him. Otherwise you will be an assessee of defaulter. There will be some penal actions or will be taken by the department against you. So be careful, be mindful of this section. So this is applicable for non-business transactions. Hope all of you are clear with this. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Thank you.